Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to Mars. Please come closer. We're going to start the lesson. So today we're going to talk about the distance between things and big numbers. So I've been teaching English classes for a long time, and when we do reading, some students have problems saying big numbers quickly. They need to slow down to read them. So we're going to learn an easy way to remember the big numbers. So small numbers at your level are quite easy. For example, 2. I am about 2 meters from that rock. But when we get to bigger numbers like thousands, millions, and billions, we can slow down and take much more time in giving those numbers, and we might make mistakes. So let's look at our inner solar system. So we have the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, where we are now. So we'll add also the Moon to Earth, just to illustrate a point. So let's start with the Earth to the Moon. How far is it from the Earth to the Moon? Any guesses? Any guesses? So the distance between the Earth and the Moon is about 384,000 kilometers. Okay, so we're using kilometers today. So once again, 384,000 kilometers. So I want you to imagine that number right now. How many commas are in that number? 1. There is 1 comma. So when there is 1 comma in a number, that is thousands. So 384,000 kilometers. So let's take another example. So we are on Mars, but all of us, I assume, are from Earth. Okay? So how far is it from the Earth to Mars? Any guesses? So from the Earth to Mars, it is 151,420,000 kilometers. Okay? It is about 151,420,000 kilometers. So how many commas are in this number? There are 2 commas. So when we are using 2 commas, we know that it is millions. Sometimes we also include thousands. So in this case, it was 151,420,000 kilometers. Okay. All right. So we've done thousands and we've done millions. What comes next? Can you tell me? Well, hopefully you said billions, okay? Billions. So now we're going to talk about the outer solar system. How far is it from the Sun to the farthest planet in the solar system? And by the way, what is the farthest planet? Neptune. It is Neptune. So how far is it from the Sun to Neptune? Any guesses? From the Sun to Neptune, it is 4,475,200,000 kilometers. Okay? So how many commas was that? 3. It was 3 commas. So once again, 4,475,000 thousand. Say it again. 4,475,200,000 kilometers. Okay. All right. So that is the distance from the sun to Neptune, and that's about the distance of the whole solar system. Okay. So, of course, after 1,000, after million, after billion, we have more numbers like trillion, quadrillion, quintillion. But these numbers are so big that they are quite rare. So we won't worry about those now. So if you can master 1,000, million, and billion easily, you can start to do reading of numbers much more quickly and fluently, okay? So just remember, one more time, 1 comma, 1,000. 2 commas, million. 3 commas, billion. Okay, so now I'm going to administer a small quiz. Please take the quiz and just see how you're doing with big numbers. All right, thank you for your time.